Okay, one day we did not record, I guess, right?
I think so.
Yeah, that's why we did not get maybe one of the day.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'll check the exception handling once after this class and see.
Okay. 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 The last thing is reading Excel file. Let's create Excel file. Let me see somewhere. Let's list out few employee and their details. First thing we'll take EMP ID. We'll take employee name. I hope we did not cover this one. Is manager. Did you cover this one?
No.
Okay. And we'll like salary. Like I'll start employee one, and employee name is I'll take Rajiv. Is the manager I'll take no, they'll write false. And salary I'll write 34,000.45. You'll give any value. I'll do here like Rahim. Like is manager false. I'll give this one as some 45,000 like 3 like Shan. I'll take is manager I'll like true. Like salary I'll like 89,000. This is the data we have, right? So let's give the sheet name as something. Let's save the file here in the location that we want. We'll keep it here. Let's give our name EMP details. Mhm. Okay, it's open here. How to read this one? Create a class here. Okay. Before we read, let's understand about the Excel file. How are you going to read this one? To read the Excel file, we require external jars. Java by default don't have the capacity to read the Excel file. We require Apache POI. So what do I mean by that? Let's see here. What's that? Java. Hmm. Excel comes in two forms, XLS and XLSX. XLS is the one that is 2003 or earlier version, and XLSX that you see is later version that is 2007 or later. Okay,
Okay.
and they are in different format. The data. That's why the first one we can read using HSSF. Second one will use reading. We'll read using XSSF. Okay. First one, earlier version will be using HSSF, and the recent one, which the one that I created is XLSX only. You can see here, XLSX. It will be read by XSSF. Now, what are the jar? Jar are the external files that will help us to read this Excel. So POI, POI, OXML, OXML schemas. When you want to find these jars, how can we find? You can go here, search for it. POI Maven dependence. If you search here, it will take you there. Then click on this POI and click on 3.16. Then click on jar. Give it this path here. Go to chat here. How to download this one? You can click on jar, right? It will download. Likewise, latest version 3.17, but I haven't tested, so I'm using 3.16. Next is Commons Collection 4. I'll give you all the jars as required. I'm giving you the link here. Given this one, let's go to POI over XML version. POI over XML, let's say. Oh. POI over XML, POI over XML schemas. OXML, then OXML schemas would be somewhere. Yeah. Last thing, record XML beans. Are you finding this link here that I'm sending in the chat?
Yeah.
Please copy all the links somewhere in safe location, because when the session is over, that link would not be there. You can just copy in a notepad for now.
Okay.
Let me know once it is done. Download that. You need to come to here. This is jar. If you click here to download, once you download it, it will ask you, do you want to keep or discard? You can click on keep, so keep it anyway. So I've already kept all these things in the same place, so I'm not downloading them again. Okay, let me open the place where I've kept this. Trainings here. Yeah, these are the jars required. So what I'll do, what you can do is you can right click on the project. Are you done with this copying?
Yes.
Okay. You right click, build path, and go to configure build path. This is go to libraries here and add external charts. You can give this charts here. You can add all the charts. This one approach. You can just add whatever you have your charts. It might not get you to the place where you have your jars downloaded because I have already taken from here, so it's showing me. Okay.
Okay.
So now, what the other approach is? What I'll do? I'll create a folder here called as lib. Any name is fine. Within that, I'll copy all the charts. Copy files. Yes. Okay. Now that is done, you need to select all of them. Right click, build path, add to build path. Now these are added to the build path. Any question in this one?
No.
Okay. Now to read the file is here, file in the resources. What should we do to read the file? First thing, file, right? You need to give the path of the file. You forgot? So slash emp data. Are you okay? I mean, do you remember this one, right? We did like this in the last
Yes.
section.
Yes.
That's great. Next is will be taking this one as input stream. Next thing, okay. Now if you see this Excel, the entire thing is called as workbook in terms of Apache POI, and generally also it's called as workbook, right?
Mm-hmm.
And workbook can contain multiple sheets. You see this sheet, sheet 2, sheet 3. It can contain multiple sheets, right? And so we'll target one sheet. Likewise, if you go to one sheet here, it can contain multiple what
Cells.
rows.
Multiple rows.
Rows. Within each row, it can contain multiple cells.
Mm-hmm.
So there is no column concept based on in terms of Apache POI. It is workbook, then sheet, then row, then within the row cell.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So we'll create here, and as you know very well, for XLS we'll be using HSSF, XLSX will be using XSSF. Mm, Each of these, what I just discussed, is all interfaces. They have each respective class. For example, for workbook, you have HSSF workbook. For sheet, you have HSSF sheet, XSSF sheet. Okay. Each interface will have two implementation classes with prefixes HSSF and XSSF. Now let's
Okay.
see workbook API. What are the things that you can do workbook? First thing, we need to accept this file here. Write workbook. I can write like book equals to new workbook. Now H this is the Excel files. XSSF workbook. Within that, I'll pass input stream IS. Now from the book we'll get the sheet. Okay, like book dot get sheet. There are multiple ways to find the sheet by giving the sheet name, by giving sheet index. Okay, if you want to find the sheet index or sheet name, also you can get. If you want to find all the sheets, get number of sheets, it will give you all of them. So you can iterate among them. Also from workbook, you can create a new sheet, you can write into it. So mostly our focus will be on reading the Excel file. So what is the sheet name here?
Details.
Details, right? So let get sheet. Okay, we'll keep inside a sheet here. We can keep it in sheet, or we can keep inside XSSF sheet. We'll keep it in a sheet here. SS py.ss dot user model. Now from there, sheet dot get row. Let's suppose I want to get the first row. This is index based, not position based. Index based will start from 0, position based will start from 1. So this is
Okay.
what is the index of this row?
0.
0. So I want to suppose I want to find this one. What is the index of the cell based on the row?
Row is still 0.
Okay, and what is the cell?
0, 3.
Cell is 3. Yeah. Okay. First we'll find the 0 row. You can give any name. I'm just giving this name so that you can recognize. Then we'll get cell.
Yeah.
Get cell of 2. Then I want to print it. How to print? Cell dot get string cell value. As this is a string here, we're using get string cell value. And if I run this one, I should read it. Correct? Is MTR is coming up? Yes? Or no?
Can I see the Excel, please?
Okay.
Oh, okay. 2, right? Okay.
Yeah, if I have to find this one, what is the row and what is the cell?
Row is 3.
Mm-hmm.
Cell 3, 2.
Cell 2. Row is, are you saying? 3.
3.
Mm-hmm. And cell is 2. Okay, if I run this one, see, this is 2 and how come this is also true? Start from 0, 1, right?
Right, right.
0, 1. It's not 2, it's 1. Shan.
Okay.
Now, if I have to find this one, what is the row and what is the column?
0.
Name cell, not column.
Cell is 2.
First go by row. What a row is how much?
2.
Okay. And cell.
Cell is 3.
Okay. Row is 2 and cell is 3. What is the output should I get?
45,000.
Getting exception. What is the issue? At which line are you getting exception? Based on the stack test, tell me. What is the issue?
String.
Line number?
One.
It, see, you can see the file and you can see the exception stack trace, and from there you can say from where are you getting the issue.
39 Java 39.
Correct. See here, it is from our package file IO dot reading Excel file dot main method. Within that, line number 39. So based on the stack trace, you should be able to catch.
Okay.
And what is the issue?
Oh, it is asking to get string, but there is a numeric value in the cell.
Correct. So there is numeric value, so you cannot get through get string. So you will use get numeric cell value. Right. 45,000. Now, one thing that we should observe here is in terms of Apache POI, in terms of Apache, there is no distinction between this number and this number. All are numeric. There is no integral, double, there is no such data.
Okay.
So all these things are numeric here. Although it is maybe 2 or 2.0 or 34 zoom. That's why while printing this one, instead of printing only 45,000, printed 45,000.0.
Okay.
Right. Just give fine. Now, what is this kind of data? This is what kind of data type of this?
String.
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 Correct. And what is this data?
That is
Boolean, right? So although it looks like string here, but it's not string. The reason being, see the string all that you see here are left aligned. The numeric all are right aligned. This is center aligned, and all capital. Even though I write it in small letters, see, I write small letter, I press enter here, it's becoming capital.
Okay.
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 So this is how we can read one by one. But if you want to read all of them, what do you have to do?
Use the iterative method on.
Yeah, we'll be using loops. Right? We'll comment this one. I'll find out how many rows are here. Take out the space so that you can see more of this. To find out how many rows are here, I'll write int row count equals to sheet dot get physical number of rows. It's going to give us the row count. How many rows are here? Within that row, I'll iterate for int row. I'll take I equals to 0. I less than what?
I less than 3.
By the time it should.
3, right?
How many rows are here?
0, 1, 2, 3, and 3, 4.
4 rows are here if we count the feet. So it should go from 0 to 3. I'm giving less than condition.
So
I'm
I
giving
less than
less than condition. That's when it will go from 0, 1, 2, 3. If I give 3 here, it will go from 0, 1, 2 only.
yeah, it's 4. 0, 1, 2, 3.
Correct. But if there are, suppose if I add another row, then what I have to do? I need to come again and change here. So what I'll do, I'll check the row count. How many rows are here? And give the row count here.
Okay. Okay.
Then I'll do I plus plus. Coming inside the loop, I'll find the row, current row. Give the name as a row, right cur row. Equals to how do I get? Sheet dot get row of I. what are we pointing to? First row, it is 0. It will point to the first row. It will go on like this. Next. After getting to a row, I want to explore through the cells here. To find how many cells within a row, what can I do? I can int cell count equals to what? Row dot get last cell number. Okay. Any question till this point?
No.
So I'll iterate through the row. Right. Int j equals to 0 and j less than cell count and j plus plus. So I'll get the appropriate cell. Right. Cell cell equals to what? Current row dot get cell of j. Okay, so j will point to the current cell. So now that we saw, if it is numeric, we should write get numeric cell value. If it is string, we should write get string cell value. So we should find the type of the cell, type of the data in the cell.
Okay.
How to do that? For that we have something called as cell type. Like switch statement, cursor dot get cell type. There can be multiple types. So here we saw only 3 things. What are the 3 things we saw? Case,
String.
yeah, cell dot string, cell type string. With string, then how do we retrieve the value? Read this out. Tell me. Cell dot get string cell value. Right? Break. Now let case and numeric cell dot cell type numeric. This out. Get numeric cell value. Likewise, case cell dot cell type what's that? Boolean. This out. Cell get Boolean cell value. Break. So rest of the thing, I'll say that invalid cell type. Okay. Default print at invalid data in cell. Give the cell address plus cursor get address. We'll give you the address of this one. Any question till this point?
No. Why are those they're crossed out?
They're deprecated. So Apache POI decided a different way to find this one, but later it found out that in the upcoming version they will use this one. So I'm using this one again. The means it was there in previous version, and it's tried to upgrade to this one in the newer version. There is a different way to find this one, but still the backward compatibility is here. So
Yes.
they found that this one is more widely used, and they want to bring it back in the further what is in fourth version. So I'm keeping it here.
Oh, okay.
See, it will say deprecated. Since deprecated.
It says, yeah.
Java application. So you got all the values here, right? Is it looking good?
No.
It's like randomly things, right? So what
Yeah.
we'll do, while iterating through the row, we will give a tab difference.
Yeah.
How to give tab difference? Println will bring it to the next line. You give a tab difference. What you can do is this out. In that, right, slash t. And after finishing each row, what we'll do, we'll println. We'll give next line.
Hmm. This looks good.
Yeah, it is. Next thing. Now for 1.0, 2.0, what do we give the data 1, right? Why we're getting 0.0? So what we'll do is, if the thing is 1.0, then we know that it is 1,
Okay.
right? So
Yes.
I'll go to here, this one. Instead of directly printing this one, I'll store here. Then what I'll do, I'll try to convert this one to long. If I try to convert this one to long, it will take out the decimal part, chop the decimal part. Only the integral part will be there. Long modified value equals to, how to typecast to long? Tell me. We learned this one earlier. Hello. Do you there?
Yeah, yeah, I'm looking at it. I don't remember.
How should not forget these things. Okay. So I'll compare this one. If both are equal, then I know that that's a decimal number. If equals to modi value, then I'll print here original value. If they're not equal, then it must have chopped the decimal part here. Oh, it came up like something like this. Why? Because of print ln. Take out the print ln from here. Did you get this one? Any question you have on this?
No.
Okay, that will move on to Selenium. We'll do some setup in Selenium. So move on to open the site seleniumhq.org. This is the official site of Selenium. Okay, are you there? Are you, I mean, in this place, in this page?
Okay.
Please open the site. Let me know once it is done.
Okay.
So maybe I can move to your system. Okay, can you share the screen? I'm stopping the sharing. seleniumhq.org. Selenium. Yeah. SCSALANIUM. Just type selenium. Google.
Hmm.
Just type selenium there. You just type selenium. Selenium space Java. It's fine. Yeah. Seleniumhq.org, right? The first one. Just click on it. Click on download. Okay, the current version is 3.8.1, but we'll not use the current version because I have not tested this one. So you see on the top, just below the downloads header, previous releases. Previous releases. Okay. In that, please click on 3.4. Okay. From here, what is your system configuration? 32-bit or 64-bit?
I believe 64 bit.
64-bit. Fine. You must have downloaded Java, right? Java, that must be 64-bit. Go to downloads where you have the Java. Here you come. Fine.
Yeah, 64.
Okay, that's good. Now click on the first one, iDriver win32.zip 32. Okay. Then download Selenium Java 3.4.0 last but third. Also download Selenium Server Standalone 3.4.0.jar. Yeah, please download that last one as well. Click on it. Okay, you click twice. Okay, fine. Keep. Okay. Now please go back. Press back button again. Okay. Scroll down till you see the third party driver, something like that. Yeah, third party drivers, right? So within that you see 0.19.0. Open a new tab. You can open like new tab. Fine. Yeah. Scroll down till you find 0.16.1. Scroll down till you get 0.16.1. Yeah, hold on here. Here, please download Gecko driver 0.16.1 win64.zip. Last but third one, 2.07 MB. Please go back. Click on 2.33. Download Chrome driver win32.zip. Last but second. Okay, go to your downloads and extract the zip files.
Hey Ram,
Yeah, Radha, tell me.
yeah, why we are downloading all these different items? So what we have downloaded so far is like IDE, Selenium Java, and Selenium Server,
Mm-hmm.
and then you have downloaded Chrome 32-bit.
Yeah.
So it's a 64-bit system, right? So you're downloading some of them are 32-bit.
Yeah, Chrome comes with 32-bit only, Chrome driver.
Okay. And then IDE is 32-bit only. IE driver.
IE driver. Yeah, that is 64-bit is a bit slow. The 32-bit is first. Good one.
Oh, okay, okay. And what are the other ones we have downloaded?
Gecko driver.
What is Getco driver?
I'll discuss about all of them. No
Oh,
worries.
okay.
Extract everything here.
Yeah, please extract all of them. Okay, with this version of Selenium, we will not be able to run with latest version of Firefox. That's why I'll give you this one. So you can download Firefox. Do you have Firefox in your system?
I don't think so.
Okay, I'll give you the one version. Yeah, extract all of them. Okay, extract. Okay.
I think I'm done downloading all of them.
Okay, I gave you another link. I pinged you another link. Check in the chat window.
Where is my chat window?
Mm, go to meeting. The other one. Yeah, somewhere.
Oh yeah, I saw it. Okay, I see it.
Open the link. Download this one. Firefox setup 54.0.1.exe. Okay, let's install this one. Till now we haven't installed anything. This is the first thing we're going to install. Install anyway. Next, next. Install. Don't import anything. It's fine. Don't import anything. You can open Firefox. Yeah, it should open. You can click on always check this one using. You can uncheck that one. Always perform this check and not now. There is three lines right on the right side. You see there is three lines on the top right. Top right. Yeah, click on that. Click on options. Click on advanced on the left side that you will find. Click on update. Never check for updates because I don't want to update this one. If it is updates, then this version of Selenium might not support. Now, click on that three lines. Click on the question mark. About Firefox. Oh, it has already updated. We need to okay,
Before when installing, I think we have to uncheck that and install.
fine. You can just
Uninstall.
restart Firefox, and click on restart Firefox to update. And we can uninstall this Firefox. And again, if we install the Firefox, it will not have the latest. The current version of Firefox is around 57, I guess. You can find out here once it opens. Check the version.
It's 56.
Okay, uninstall this one. Hmm. Good downloads. You already have it. No need to open it again. Yeah, finish. And check the options. Should be never check for updates. Advanced. And check the version.
Yeah, it's 54
Yeah.
1.
Fine. So we don't want to check for updates. Yeah. Close this one. Okay. Now search for no. Don't close the Firefox. Close the small window. Go to new tab and search for Firebug. Firebug. Yeah, click on the first link. No. Go back. Click on the second link.
This one, add-ons.
Yeah. In the latest version, Firebug is not supported. That's why I also downloaded this one. Click on Add to Firefox.
No, latest version Firebug is not supported.
Yeah. Install. Okay. You see that bug. Press F12. There's a bug icon right beside to that.
Yeah.
There's a bug. Please click on it. Okay. Don't show this message again. Oh, hold on. Okay, don't show this message again. Click on the drop down. Let's see what else do you have. Enabled old Firefox disabled. Okay, enabled old Firebug.
This one?
Yeah,
It is saying required to restart.
restart Firefox. Just click on that.
This one?
No. Click on the bug icon. It's not the one that you're looking for. Okay. Okay, right click on anything. Inspect element. Okay, fine. It's good. Okay, then go to another tab, new tab. Type Firepath. Just anywhere in the browser that address bar you can type Firepath.
Fire?
Firepath. Enter. Click on that
First one?
first link. Add to Firefox. Install. Install it. Restart now. It will restart the Firefox, not the entire system. Your Firefox opened, I guess. Press F12. Or right click anywhere and right click. Click on inspect element. No, this is not what you're looking for. Try to uninstall, click on that three lines, click on add-ons, click on extensions. Okay, remove the one, Firebug, Firebug.
Firebug.
Yeah, try to install again. Go to Firebug tab, right to Firefox, install. Okay, click on the Firebug icon again. Hmm. Okay, fine, no worries. So we'll deal this one differently. Okay, fine. So this is what is required for us to do, and we'll discuss about what we actually did, what everything we did in the next session.
Okay, yeah,
What
we
what
have
yeah, what
downloaded.
we downloaded and why did you download? We'll discuss everything in the next session.
Okay,
Okay,
okay, thank you. Have a nice day.
welcome. Have a good day.